Hey guys, I am back again. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm so glad that you decided to click on this video. And I'm gonna already say thank you. Thank you for leaving a comment. Thank you for giving me a thumbs up, and thank you for subscribing. So guys, when you have one of your favorite songs and all you want to do is just chill out and sing along. You don't want any hard steps or whatever. Instructors, you want that easy peasy to keep your class moving. You don't have to teach it, especially to your beginners while you're teaching them the steps. That's this one, 24 Misses. It's a four-wall dance. I'm telling you, it is an easy peasy. Let's go. Oh, I forgot to tell you, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is the instructional. If you wait till the end of this video and click on it, we can dance together. Let's get it. So, let's start here. No. Let's start on this wall here. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's start on this wall. So stand on this side right here, looking in this direction. So this dance is gonna move clockwise, okay? So we're gonna start with a toe tap. 5, 6, we're gonna do 4, 5, 6, 7. You can kind of move up on this one, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple enough, right? You're doing 4 of those, alternating right, left, and then you're going to move back, out, cross back, out, cross back, out, cross back, out, cross back. You did 4 for toe tap and pretty girl. They call these pretty girls. Out, cross back, out, moving back. So the toe taps are going to move you forward, and a pretty girl is going to move you back. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to do a lending, which is shuffle to the right with a rock recover. 5, 6, 7, and right, rock, left, right, step, right, left. And that's the end of the dance. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, toe tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Shuffle 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring it back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shuffle right. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4. Left 5. Shoulder back. 7, 8. So you do a quarter turn back with the shoulder coming back on 7, 8, and you start the dance over. That's called 24 Misses. It's a 4-wall dance moving clockwise, okay? Let me know how you think, how you did with this one. This is perfect, guys, for your co-workers. You want to get up and move during lunchtime instead of being out in the mall and running up your credit card. I'm trying to show you ways to save money. Bring your lunch with you. You can dance and get steps in. 40 minutes. What you need, about 15 minutes at the most to eat your lunch. Okay, bring your tennis shoes. Put them in the extra pair in your desk. That's what I used to do. And for lunchtime, instead of going out and spending money or whatever, I would bring my lunch. Put on my tennis shoes. I would move around, especially if you have a desk job, just sitting there. You got some movement in for 40 minutes. I'll finish up, go directly to the lunchroom, eat my lunch, return back to my desk, take my shoes off, and start work again. Put my regular shoes on and start work again. You've gotten steps in, you got movements in, you've saved money, and you've eaten lunch. What else do you want, okay? Leave me a comment. Let me know how you think. Grab your co-workers. Share this video. It's called 24 Misses. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.